Howdy. In this video, we will be talking about orderings for graphs in StatCrunch and how to create our own orderings. For this example, I have randomly made 20 observations of class standing. That's freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior. These are completely made up, randomized observations, not any particular student's data, so there's no need to call FERPA on me. So let's say we wanted to build a frequency bar chart of this data. I would go to Graph, Bar Plot with Data, select my variable. Notice that by default this order by setting has value ascending. So in situations like this, we have an intuitive order that we would like to see these bars listed. Your class standing goes in order from freshman, sophomore, junior to senior with how much time you've been in school. So naturally we might want our bar graphs to look this way. When I hit compute, it does not do that. We see the values in ascending order by alphabetical order rather than the order we want. Let's see what other order options we have. We could go value descending, which is just the same thing in reverse. Let's look at count ascending. Now our bars are ordered based on their frequencies, with the shorter bars first and then going to the tallest one. Again, not what we're looking for. Count descending is going to do the same thing, but in reverse. This worksheet one is a little bit weird. The bars are generated in order based on when the values of the variable are encountered in the data set. Since the first observation is sophomore, our first bar is going to be for sophomores. The next unique value we see is senior, so senior is going to be the next bar. And then it continues until all the values have been encountered. Again, not what we're looking for. We have one more option. If we go to Edit, Orderings, we have a list of several orderings that StatCrunch will use that override that value ascending. Anytime we have a variable with the value Sunday through Saturday, for example, StatCrunch will automatically put them in this order. We can make our own orderings by going to Add New Ordering. Now it wants us to enter one value per line in ascending order, and we want to make sure that they're spelled exactly as they are in our data set. Since the first value is going to be freshman, we type that on the first line. No need for commas or anything. We just hit enter, type our next value, sophomore, hit enter, junior, enter one more time, and then senior. Again, no commas, no need for anything between the lines. I hit update, and now this new ordering is listed for any graphs that I might build. Close out of that window. Let's go ahead and rebuild this bar chart. Keep it on value ascending. And boom, it's using the custom order we gave it. It's important to note that StatCrunch will not save these custom orderings between sessions, so anytime you make any custom orderings, close out of StatCrunch and then reopen it later, you will need to tell it those new custom orderings. Alright, so now you know how to customize the order of values in graphs in StatCrunch. See you next video.